Hello everyone, thanks for watching. I wish everyone a happy and healthy 2020. Yeah, a new year. Wow. Now back to the build. I started to strip everything on the bike to go to the bare frame. Time to do some body work to smooth some area. Here I'm trying to remove the chain tensioner and I forgot it's all the way threaded through. I didn't get a lot of footage about doing the body work. I don't think this is something anybody wants to see. This is just, smooth area, as I said, like that. For the paint, I'm going to use a black chassis epoxy paint. It's a two-part epoxy from Summit Racing. Here this is after I sprayed the primer, the Summit chassis black. Here, if you look closely on the neck, you will see that I removed the steering locking device, whatever it is. I cut it and just welded a round piece of metal and did some body work. So here, this is after the base coat was applied. Here, this is after clear coat was applied. Then it was time to take care of the fender and gas tank. For the base coat, I use metallic silver paint, which will go pretty well with the silver flakes that I got. So those are the mini flakes from Rough, and I really, you know, the mixing ratio, I just use my own judgment. Looked on a stick and see how it looked. Then it will depend on how many coat you will apply. So here you go, not too bad for the first time playing with Flake. The secret, I guess, is shake your spray gun often to really mix the clear and the flakes, otherwise the flakes will sit on the bottom. So do that often and spray a couple of coats, there's probably some flash time in between.
So good.
Getting part together when everything is clean and painted is the best moment. So this is very rewarding to see everything go smoothly, and the assembly goes really well. Yeah, looking forward. Still a bunch of work, but getting there. I also started to look at the design I'm going to do on the gas tank. I'm gonna play with different things and different shape. Definitely we'll try some lace on it, so that's gonna be very interesting. I never used any airbrush or lace before, so that will be a learning curve. Looking forward to it, definitely. That's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Thank you for your support. And if you have any comment, please feel free. And see you next time.